What's up, everyone? My name's Kelly, and I'm here with our master roaster, Harry Hutchins. Harry, say hi.
How's it going, guys?
You might be wondering, why is Harry blindfolded? We'll get to that in just a second. Don't worry about it. This week's blog post is about the coffee flavor wheel. Ooh, right? Very fancy stuff. You might have come to the ALMA warehouse and seen it on our wall and wondered, what is this? Or you might have gone elsewhere and seen it. And that's exactly what this week's blog post is all about, is unlocking the secrets of the coffee flavor wheel so you can learn how to, I don't want to say be an expert like Harry because it takes years, decades of training, right? But there's a couple of tips and tricks, and we're going to go over one, and that is the inside-out methodology for locating a specific flavor in a cup of coffee. So let's get to the why is Harry blindfolded? You've been wondering, we're 45 seconds into this video right now. What I have here is 3 of ALMA's most popular roasts, and just to show you how valuable the inside-out technique is for pinpointing specific flavors in coffee, I'm gonna get Harry to try each of these roasts and try to identify a particular flavor. And Harry, if you can guess what coffee it is, bonus points. All right, so we're gonna, I didn't really factor in that you would be blindfolded. And
why I'd be blindfolded? You just didn't have to name the cups.
Right, well, it's the optics, Harry. It's the optics. Okay, we're gonna slurp this. All right.
It better be a spoon coming up to me.
And I want you to pay attention to the wheel located at the bottom of this video and what Harry is about to describe. You'll see what I mean.
All right, so for me, the wheel is more of kind of a guide to come up with tasting notes as well as kind of memory joggers on what I'm feeling. So for this one, for example, I'm really getting notes of kind of like a nutty cocoa-y. So I'm pretty sure that is on the upper left of the tasting wheel, and so from there I work my way out. I'm pretty sure some nutty cocoa-y. I'm getting kind of notes of some brown sugar, kind of molasses, kind of caramelly, kind of almondy notes to that one. So I kind of work my way out to the outside to have more direct and more specific flavor notes.
You ready for this slurp?
All right.
I spilled a little. I'm sorry.
That one's obvious. That's the natural, and so I'm going in kind of the fruity or floral notes to those ones. I think the top right-hand side, and those ones, I mean, I could definitely taste notes of kind of cherry, pomegranate, just all around kind of tropical fruits to that one. So that's definitely the natural. That one kind of sticks out. So that one's really nice.
2 out of 2. Last one. Here we go. Can Harry guess it?
One that I also try every single day. So this one is definitely kind of in that nutty cocoa-y. This is our soulmate roast. I'm very positive on that one. Bless you.
I'm sorry.
That is definitely our soulmate roast. I definitely get those kind of nutty, cocoa-y, chocolate, milk chocolate notes to it. That's our medium roast. There should be no kind of smokiness to it. It should just be overall a clean cup of coffee with a nice little bit of fruity, citrusy notes to that one. So this is kind of one that is my favorite. I try this and I drink this all the time. So I'm pretty positive that's soulmate.
Harry, congratulations. You don't win anything. You can take your blindfold off if you want to. I just want to say, Harry, he cups and tastes our coffee every day. How important would you say this wheel is, not only for, quality control purposes, but also just like if you're maybe working with a new roast and experimenting?
Yeah. No, for me, it really is just trying to build out those descriptors or also kind of better describe what you're going to taste before you even buy the coffee. So again, like I said when I started, this is more of a guide for me. I'll kind of, if there's something that's kind of eluding me of where I'm tasting something and it just kind of is on the tip of my tongue, pun intended, that I know what, I kind of have a feeling of the flavor, I'll just look to this wheel and it'll kind of jog my memory. I think it's more fun at the end of the day, but all of these are very, subjective notes when I'm coming up and cupping the coffee. At the end of the day, it's coffee. It's supposed to be fun. But try all the different roasts that we have.
Try it out.
Yep, try out all the different roasts we have. See if there's any notes that you pick up. You can go check out the flavor wheel on our blog. And then also, when you ever buy our coffee, we always have tasting notes on there. So it'd be pretty fun. Try those out. See if you get those notes as well. Or if you get something different, let us know.
And hey, I just want to say before you go read the blog, that's only one of maybe 4 strategies, secret tips and tricks. So there's a lot that's going on with color and arrangement here outside of just this inside out strategy. So go right now. Go check it out. I mean,
I'm even going to learn something. I've been doing this a while, but still, I actually did not know there was even a strategy until you told me about this.
And it's, let's not reveal it. You have to go there and learn for yourself, but let me know what you think about it when you read it. I'm excited. So we're signing off. I'll see you on the blog comments. It's very lit in the comments, right? I don't know. I'm going to cut all of this. So
awesome, guys. Thank you.
All right.